Is it a little twitchy?
Well, it's just me probably. But no, it's just climby. It seems to be all right now like that. Dialed me down a little. Lost it? Jesus. Backwards. I got back. Oh, may not be too bad.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
Let's see the front end.
Indeed. That's just an nail. Oh, you know what? It may not be that bad. I got that nice tape. That was a major crash, eh? Yeah, I'm just gonna... Okay, we got some... This is our project. This one?
Right behind you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now that one's not... Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Here it is. Yeah.
Do you think we have to report this?
There's a lot of work to do here,
Yeah.
but not that it can't be done.
Okay.
But,
Say goodbye.
you know, it could have been worse. It could have been worse.
How could it have been worse?
No, you know, I was thinking I'm inside that tree. I'll just keep banking around here.
Well,
And then all of a sudden it you know, I thought, holy, just a sec. Why is that turning that way?
Well, I thought it was why is
turning
he
into
flying
the tree.
towards the tree?
Yeah, well, it looked like it was going towards the tree, so I said, I'm going the wrong way, and I was going the right way. It's just, you know, mental blip.
Okay, we're gone.
Yeah, that's it.